all-out war and open rebellion within the Maha Vikas Aghadi partners on ticket distribution. Congress's Sanjay Nirupam slamming UBT Sena over Mumbai seats. Nirupam says, and I quote, Uddhav gave ticket to Covid Kichdi Chor. Congress Neta Thorat attacks Uddhav on Sangli pick. Open rebellion there surfacing in Maharashtra's Vikas Aghadi, the Maha Vikas Aghadi partners. UBT Sena along with Sharad Pawar's NCP and the Congress, the three partners combined, haven't been yet seamlessly be able to draw out a seat-sharing pact. And in the meanwhile, you have the Congress Neta, Sanjay Nirupam, slamming the UBT Sena, questioning them about the ticket given to a Covid Kichdi Chor. Well, we're going to try and elaborate for you on exactly who he's pointing at. But for the moment, we have Congress Neta Thorat also attacking Uddhav Thackeray on the Sangli pick. Now, miffed over declaring Sangli seat, Congress leader Balasaheb Thorat says Shiv Sena didn't fight right, or they're not going to be able to win with the candidate that they've currently announced for the Sangli seat. Congress is insisting for Sangli and Bhiwandi. Thorat urges to reconsider the UBT Sena's decision.
शिवसेना ने जो उम्मीदवार घोषित किया है उत्तर पश्चिम के लिए, उसके बारे में मैं भूमिका पहले से स्पष्ट कर चुका हूं। उस उम्मीदवार के ऊपर भ्रष्टाचार का आरोप है, ईडी के द्वारा छानबीन जारी है और भ्रष्टाचार का भी जो आरोप है वह कोविड के जमाने में जो मुंबई के गरीब प्रवासी मजदूरों को मुफ्त भोजन कराने की जो योजना थी, उस योजना में से कॉन्ट्रैक्टर से उनने दलाली ली। जो खिचड़ी सप्लाई की गई थी, उस खिचड़ी सप्लायर से उन्होंने दलाली खाई है, जिसकी छानबीन हो रही है। और ऐसे खिचड़ी चोर उम्मीदवार को शिवसेना ने हमारे सर पे थोपा है। हम इसका सरासर विरोध करते हैं।
शिवसेना उद्धवजींच्या शिवसेनेने यादी जाहीर केलेली आहे। खरं म्हणजे त्यामध्ये सांगली त्यांनी जाहीर करणं किंवा मुंबईमधलं सुद्धा धारावी जिथे तो मतदारसंघ जाहीर करणं हे योग्य झालं नाही असं माझं मत आहे। त्यांनी असं जाहीर करायला नको होतं ज्यावेळेस आम्ही चर्चेमध्ये आहोत। यामध्ये शेवटी एकत्र ज्यावेळेस आम्ही आघाडी आहे, तो आघाडी धर्म असतो आणि तो सर्वांनीच पाळला पाहिजे। त्यामुळे त्यांनी हे जागा जाहीर करणं योग्य नाही। आमचा आजही आग्रह या जागेसाठी आहे। एवढंच नाही तर भिवंडीच्या जागेसाठी सुद्धा आमचा आग्रह आहे आणि या बाबतीत जे जाहीर केलं आहे त्या बाबतीत शिवसेनेने फेर
All right, I'm cutting across to Mustafa Sheikh joining us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, the Maha Vikas Aghadi partners finding it hard to come out with a proper seat-sharing pact where all of them are in consensus. Give us the latest controversy brewing around the Sangli seat candidate.
Well, yes, Nabila, it didn't seem that this will be a serious issue between the MVA, which has now turned out that Shiv Sena has this morning declared Sangli Lok Sabha seats. So there was negotiation going on between Sangli and Bhiwandi seats for Congress, which they are asking from Shiv Sena and NCP. But declaring of Sangli seat has been taken very seriously by all the Maharashtra Congress leaders. It's Balasaheb Thorat, who the CLP leader, has spoken against it. Leader of opposition Vijay Wadettiwar has spoken against it. Senior Congress leader and ex-CM Prithviraj Chavan has spoken against it. They are saying that if this seat is not given to Vishal Patil, who is the grandson of one of the senior Congress leaders, it will have an impact on the entire area which they are contesting. Not only in Sangli, but entire Western Maharashtra will be affected if this seat is not given to him. And hence, it seems that the Congress leaders are going to Delhi openly asking Uddhav Thackeray to reconsider this seat, this decision which has been taken. So it's this morning it looks like the MVA is having a lot of troubles. Once they have announced this seat, Shiv Sena has announced the seat, it seems that the Congress is not in a mood. And adding to this pressure, Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi's Prakash Ambedkar has went on and announced 9 seats, and he has only supported Congress on 1 seat, which is Nagpur seat. So this is a trouble which has been entirely seen in the NDA alliance since morning, be it Shiv Sena Congress fight or VB announcing separate candidates and not going with the MVA. Back to you.